10 years ago, a bold idea took root here in Memphis to give adults who never finished high school a second chance at a brighter future. The Excel Center opened its doors on Norris Road with a simple mission: to transform lives through education. Since opening, the Excel Center has awarded more than 1,600 diplomas, changing the course of thousands of lives. Students come to us from all walks of life, each with a story of determination. With over 20 industry-recognized certifications now offered, we're not just granting diplomas, we're building pathways to great careers and strong families.
The Excel Center is most definitely a supportive place and a judgment-free zone. I am most definitely thankful to the Excel Center. The teachers, the life coaches, everybody here is supportive. Here's how we can do it, here's how we can help you. I'm very thankful for that little push.
I would give the Excel Center 5 stars because, like I mentioned, the teachers, the environment, they are so helpful. The life coaches, they all want you to succeed and they are willing to help you.
In Memphis, too many lives are cut short or limited by poverty, crime, and incarceration. Problems often rooted in the lack of a high school education. The Excel Center is tackling this challenge at its core, providing the skills, support, and confidence people need to change their own stories. In 10 years, the Excel Center has proven that second chances transform lives and transform our city. Together, we've built a movement of hope and opportunity. The best is yet to come. Celebrating 10 years. Because at the Excel Center, it's never too late to graduate.